Introducing the Swan-Matic C920 series handheld bottle cappers, your ultimate solution for efficient, reliable, and precise capping. Enjoy superior performance at a great value. Designed for versatility and durability, the C920 is perfect for small to medium production runs, offering unparalleled ease of use and consistency. Trusted by professionals across industries, this handheld capper ensures secure seals every time. Elevate your capping process with the Swan-Matic C920, where precision beats performance. Add a support arm and a bottle holder for optimum performance and one-handed operation. A multiple bottle holder allows for faster and more efficient bottle capping. Visit Swan-Matic.com for more information about the C920 series handheld bottle cappers and our complete line of capping supplies.